with another video of Fastest World. And today we're going to be driving a remote control car. And today I have an assistant, Jack.
Hey guys.
So, let's get started.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
So, let's go that way. We got it going full speed down that road right there. Dude, that thing is fast, Sebastian. Dude.
I'm up close. Dude, that thing is going. Run.
Go, run. Dude, I think a car's coming. Dude, I think a car's coming.
Oh, dude, come on. Get to the side. Get to the side. Get to the side.
There's a car coming.
There is?
Yeah, I think.
Take a close look at the car. Take a close look at the car. That thing goes fast.
Yeah, it does.
Take a closer.
Yep, there's the car.
Turn it.
There's the car right there.
Let's take a close look. Okay?
We can start out. Oh my gosh, this is another car. Sorry about this delay, guys.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Go again.
And Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry
Even though it's
Christmas.
a late Christmas.
Yeah.
And Happy New Year's, though.
Yeah. Okay.
Not going to. Oh my God, dude. Get this stupid car. Dude.
Go.
Oh my God, there's another car.
Dude,
Ooh.
stop.
I'm really sorry about this, guys. So many cars want to come by. And yeah, they just want to ruin our little YouTube video. We're just kids trying to make a YouTube video.
Good job, stop.
Good.
Close to it so you can see it. There.
I think it's going pretty good so far.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's going good. It's going good. It's going okay. It's going okay.
Oh. Who is that back there?
Let's go.
Oh my God, I'm surprised it survived that puddle.
Yeah, it was good.
I'm surprised it did not shut down because of that puddle. I got it swerving. Oh, I went to that person's driveway. I do not know who that is.
Yeah. We're just walking around the neighborhood.
Dude, it's zooming.
I know. Go back. Whoop.
Yes.
Zooming. Oh.
I'll bring it towards the camera.
Yeah. Go.
Oh my God, we cannot go through that puddle.
Go for it.
No, we can't. The car would break.
Or whatever. Go.
Hi. Yep. Thank you.
Whoa, that car's from New York. Ooh, good.
We're gonna be at my house soon.
thing's zooming. Zooming here.
I think the turning is better on the ground
Yeah.
than it is on carpet.
Yeah.
It hardly turns on carpet.
Yeah, because I tried on carpet.
And
It
did
doesn't
not
work.
work out so good. And I just drove it into my friend's lawn.
It's your friend's house?
Shout out to Adam and Jonathan. Now it's going a little slow because this is kind of like a hill.
Yeah. Gotta go a little bit faster. A little bit slower. This is the hill.
No, that's it. I'm just going to try to
Zoom
make
it.
it go through the speed.
Zoom it, zoom it. Try and zoom it.
Oh, it's going pretty fast now.
Here, try and zoom it.
It keeps
We're
going.
close to your house now.
Yeah, we're really close. And shout out to VTech for the Kitty Zoom watch. Make sure you go get yourself one of them.
Yeah. Zoom it. Zoom it. Zoom it good. So we're almost at your house. Give them a little surprise since we're almost at your house, Jack.
Yeah, that was pretty quick. Let's see if we'll make it up the hill. Nope, we cannot make it up.
Let's try it.
Yeah, we can try. See, look, I'm pressing.
Okay.
I'm pressing.
So, that's it, folks. You got what you wanted. So, see you next time.